Hey, my name is Bryce, and today we're going to show you how we repaired this Lamborghini Urus deer strike damage without doing any kind of painting or body work. Stay tuned. So this is Lamborghini's super SUV, about 650 horse, lots of torque. This vehicle is made of all aluminum, and you can see these strikes are really nasty here on the door edges, really deep shots towards the front of the door there, and on the fender as well. So I will tell you that aluminum has a really high tensile strength, higher than normal steel, and boy, this thing gave us a run for the money because it's that much harder to push this aluminum from the back side to get it to move. And you can see under the light reflection just how severe this stuff is. I've got everything circled. There's a couple protruding areas as well as dented areas. Right around the door handle you could see there's some damage. And this customer actually reached out to me, had another technician try to work on this car, believe it or not, and you can see there's some previous attempts right there. I'll zoom in. That's actually a previous attempt at Paintless Dent repair. So I definitely recommend you doing your research before you seek out a Paintless Dent repair technician to do your repairs. All right, we're starting off with some glue pulling just to see what we can achieve with this method here from the outside of the panel. And we're essentially just fusing some hot glue on a plastic tab, and we're pulling the damage out. You can see we made a little bit of progress there. Not much, but just something to get the process started. So if you pay attention real close to the center of the screen there, you'll see there's a dent right below that body line. Just you can kind of watch it disappear as I work. Kind of faint, but definitely you can see it go away. This is the previous attempt at PDR. We're going to address that, and we've got that looking a lot better now. Just kind of slowly tapping it down and coming along. So we've got a lot more work to do though. So you'll see this is the process that we're using to do that. And it looks a little brutal, but very effective. We use a series of different plastic or highly polished metal tips that don't damage the paint in the process. And you can see we achieved an amazing result there. So we decided to take the door off the vehicle to do the rest of the repair on the front of that door. We've got it on the stand, and we actually are much more comfortable working in this position. You can see underneath here, this is what's going on there. Insert a tool, just kind of navigating around the different things that might be inside that door. And here is the view of what we're looking at actually while we're working inside that door. And you can see the aluminum being kind of manipulated slowly as we have to pick out every little last low and tap down every little last high. And boy, was this a challenge right here towards the edge, but it came out fantastic. Lots of hard work on that one. But not as much work as this side of the door. This was, I gotta say, probably the hardest portion of the entire repair. Looks a little deceiving. Doesn't look like there's much going on, but man, I think I had about 6 hours just in that side of the door alone. And we started off with some traditional pushing from the back side, as you can see here, but then we wanted to really speed things up, so we used some glue pulling methods here. This is actually called a crease killer, where essentially we're just, using glue to pull up on a certain area of the damage to kind of get a nice high, kind of flipping that dent inside out. We can knock that down easily now. And you can see the edge of the door here. We still have a lot of work to do there. And this aluminum was so tough that I had to use a carbon fiber rod inside there just to minimize any kind of flex that I normally would get using a traditional Paintless Dent repair rod. Cleaned up pretty nice, as you can see. Still have a little bit of work left to do on it. And one thing about this panel is that it was overstretched right in the center there. And I'll show you the area. I'll point to it right there. That area right there gave us a really hard time. We had to use this special machine called the Power PDR box. And essentially what we're doing on a dent like that is, and I'm going to show you, this is a different vehicle, but I just want to show you how this machine works from the back side. Normally this area would be real floppy after working on it, so what this does is it actually stabilizes the aluminum so it lays flat again. And what an outcome. Where else can you get your Lamborghini repaired in 12 hours, pretty much same day, while preserving the original factory baked Lamborghini paint finish? So there's zero diminished value. This vehicle remains 100% original, and there's no history reports on the vehicle. It's just a win-win for the customer. You can see under the light reflection there, we achieved factory results here. Looks amazing. They were really happy with the end results, and door edge came out really nice as well. And of course that area that we were looking at with the previous paintless dent repair and that lower door dent came out awesome. If you'd like to check out more educational videos about paintless dent repair, you can go on to cfldentrepair.com, or if you have any general questions, you can email me or give me a call directly at 386-216-5185. I'll be glad to answer any questions you might have about this valuable process known as paintless dent repair. Thank you again for watching, and have a great day.